Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon birthday cake. Now, to start off with our birthday cake, we want to make a kind of a straight line that goes about from here to here on our paper. So to draw this, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a straight line over to here. It doesn't have to be perfect, just as straight as you can. If it's a little bumpy, that's actually going to make it look just a little bit more realistic. Now, starting on each side, we want to draw a little line that goes down. So you want to curve this down just a little bit on each side. Now, the next step is to make the icing. And all you have to do is just draw a wavy line that goes from here to here. I like to make sure that these little wavy lines are different sizes. So some of them will be tall, some of them will be short. And I'm just going in an up and down pattern until I get to right there. Now, after I draw this, I want to make the sides of the cake. And I don't want to start right here on the edges. I want to come in just a little bit. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just goes down to here. And it doesn't have to be perfectly straight. You can try your best. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. Next, at the bottom of our cake, I want to make another little bumpy line. This top one was kind of wavy. This next one's going to be bumpy. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go all the way to here. And when I do this, I'm just going to make little bumps. I'm going up and down. And I want to do this all the way across to right there. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve around on each side. And then underneath here, I'm going to add another little bumpy line. So I'm going to do the same thing all the way across the bottom. And that's going to be the top and the bottom of my cake. Now, I want to make a little plate under here. Now, to do this, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a kind of like a skinny oval. It's going to go out, it's going to come around, and then curve right up to here. It's going to be really skinny. So all I'm going to do is just draw a line. It's going to curve out, it's going to come across, and it's just going to go right up to here. So it's like it's sitting on a little plate. And then I'm just going to draw a little curved line that goes right across here for a little detail on my plate. Now, right inside of here, I want to draw a little kind of wavy line that goes across my cake, just for a little bit of extra detail. To do this, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to make a little wavy line that goes across. And I want to do that same wavy line underneath here. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw that same wavy line right to there. Next, we want to put a candle up here. Now, you can do like one candle, you can do two, you can do three, you can do however many you want to. And candles are easy. I'm going to start with one in the middle. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to make a line that goes up, over, and down like a rectangle. So you just want to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go over and then come right back down. At the top of here, we want to make the flame. Now to do this, we're going to draw a line. It's going to be like a teardrop. It's going to curve up and then it's going to come down. So I'm going to curve this up and then just bring it down to here. Now, on our candle, we want to add some different little curved lines. So I'm just going to add a few curved lines right down the side of our candle, just to give it a little bit more detail. And then you can always add a couple more candles onto here. I'm going to add 2 more on each side of here. And then I'm just going to do that same thing for the flames. And I made these other two just a little bit smaller. And you can also go and put a few little lines on here for some details. Now you can leave your cake like this, or you can add even more details. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little face onto here. So right here and right here I'm going to add 2 circles. And I want to try my best to keep these circles the same size. So I'm going to draw one there and one here. And right inside of here I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside each one. And then I want to color this circle in, but I'm just going to leave just a little bit white in there for like a little reflection in the eye. Then right here, I'm going to draw a little smiley face. And then a really tall smiley face because you want to be really happy on your birthday. I'm going to add a little curved line across. And I'm just going to color this part in really fast just to fill in the mouth. Then right above it, I like to add 2 little black lines for some eyebrows. Might make them a little bit longer. And there you go. There is your drawing of a easy cartoon cake. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.